Hello everyone, today we will be solving RREF or reduced row echelon form. So this is our example. We have 2x plus 8y plus 4z equals 2, 2x plus 5y plus z equals 5, and 4x plus 10y minus z equals 1. So first we're going to find the corresponding augmented matrix. We have 2, 8, 4, 2. Then we have 2, 5, 1, 5. We have 4, 10, negative 1, and 1. So next is we're going to divide this by 2 or multiply this one by 1/2. 1/2 times row 1. This will give a new row 1. So we have 1. This will become 4. This will becomes 2. And then becomes 1. Then copy the rest. 2, 5, 1, 5, 4, 10, negative 1, and 1. Now for step 2, we're going to make this 1 equals this number equals to 0. So we're going to make a row 2 minus 2 times row 1. This will give our new row 2. So we have 1, 4, 2, 1. Then we have 4, 10, negative 1, and 1. So row 2, which is 2 minus 2 times 1, which is 0. Then row 2, 5 minus 2 times 4 is 8. We have negative 3. 1 minus 2 times 2, 4, that is negative 3. 5 minus 2 times 1, which is 2. This will becomes 3. So step 3, we're going to make this one becomes 0. So we are going to row 3 minus 4 times row 1. This will give our new row 3. So we will now copy the row 1 and also row 2. So we have row 3, 4 minus 4 times 1, which is 0. Row 3, we have 10 minus 4 times 4, which is 16. This will negative 6. So we have negative 1 minus 4 times 2, which is 8. This will give negative 9. So 1 minus 4 times 1, this will give negative 3. Now in step 4, as you can see, it has a common of 3, so we can multiply this by negative 1/3 times row 2. So this will give our new row 2. So copy the first and the third row. So you have 1, 4, 2, 1, 0, negative 6, negative 9, negative 3. So this will become 0. This will become positive 1. This will become positive 1. And this will become negative 1. So step 5. So since this one is already equals to 1, so we'll make this one equals to 0. So we're going to multiply this one by 6. So we're just going to add these two. So we have row 3 plus row 2. We're going to multiply this one by 6. So 1, 4, 2, 1 becomes 0, 1, 1, negative 1. So becomes 0. So this one we have row 3, negative 6 plus row 2 times negative 6. We have 6. So this will become 0. So negative 9 plus 6. This will become negative 3. Negative 3 plus negative 6. This will becomes negative 9. So step 6. We're just going to multiply this one by negative 1/3. Negative 1/3 times row 3. This will give our new row 3. We have 1, 4, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, negative 1. So it becomes 0, 0, and this will become positive 1. This will become positive 3. So next is we have step 7. So we are done making this side equals to 0. So next is we're going to make this one 0. So we're going to make row 1 minus 4 times row 2. This will give our new row 1. So we're just going to copy these two rows. So we have 0, 1, 1, negative 1. We have 0, 0, 1, 3. So row 1, so 1 minus 4 times 0, this is 1. And 4 minus 4 times 1, that is a 0. And 2 minus 4 times 1, this is negative 2. Then 1 minus 4 times negative 1, this will become 5. So row 2 minus row 3, so we have 0 minus 0, this is 0. 1 minus 0, this is 1. 1 minus 1, this is 0. Negative 1 minus 3, this is negative 4. Now for step 9, we're just going to add row 1 to row 3 so that it will becomes a 0. So row 1 plus 2 times row 3, this will give our new row 1. We have 0, 1, 0, negative 4, 0, 0, 1, 3. So row 1 plus 2 times 0, this is 1. 0 plus 2 times 0, this is 0. Negative 2 times negative 2 plus 2 times 1, this is 0. So 5 plus 2 times 3 is 6. This will becomes 11. And this is now in reduced row echelon form. So this will be our final answer.